actually really nice. So I'm in the new Mercedes G63 AMG with its big biturbo V8. It's a massive upgrade from the previous models. Obviously these cars started out as military vehicles, farming vehicles, just basically heavy utility vehicles. But as the years progressed, they sort of became a bit more of a status symbol with people driving them in cities and whatever. They drove horribly, the previous generations, in cities and stuff because they were meant for off-road. The new one is incredibly smooth. It doesn't take a half turn of a wheel before the wheels start to move. It's so responsive, and it's lovely. You forget you're actually in a big 4x4 because it essentially feels like you're just in a big road car. So the dimensions on the new G63, it has widened a little bit, and when I say a little bit, I think it is literally millimetres. It's a little bit longer in millimetres, but I need to show you the interior because it's done so nicely and so fancy. This is the new interior, the new display. So you've got your oil and engine temp, which these have to glow white before she fully unleashes the V8, which is actually quite cool. Obviously speedo, your revs, the boost from the turbo. Then you've got the really nice nav display, and obviously you can do it with the buttons down here. You've obviously got your radio, media, but you can do it through the home button on here, which then brings up this really nice fancy display. So your in-car office, the nav, the radio. It's all really nicely done. Mercedes Connect, info on the vehicle, and easy to use with the hand controls. This is different diff settings for off-roading, etc. You've obviously got the usual interface on most Mercedes. This is the best button with the exhaust, whether it's on powerful or balanced. But powerful, you kind of have to. It's just how it should be. You can adapt it for slippery surfaces, which is quite a good setup, especially in the UK. Sport Plus, this is always the dangerous one on any car. But I tell you what, having it on comfort, or like individual, is always a good one because you can sort of have it as comfort, but with sport sort of settings, AC and the fans, which, you know, this is all really changed design, and it's really actually quite fancy. And it's all changed over here. Then you've got obviously windows, mirrors, same as on most Mercedes with how to change the seats and heated seats. That's always a win. Light controls. I'm not often a fan of light controls being down here because it's easy to sort of get out and knock them, which is always a bit of an annoying one, but it's okay. To 70, I made sure it didn't go over, but wow, this is a big lump of a car, but my god, do you love a big twin turbo V8, sorry, bi-turbo, because Mercedes. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's actually really nice. Nice. My god, I really like this car. I want one. back from having driven the new G63 AMG. Oh my god, I genuinely have fallen in love with that 4x4. It's beautiful. You know, it's a massive upgrade on the previous generations. It's a real smooth drive. It's got a real good pull from the biturbo V8. Its handling was lovely. It didn't feel like it was really sort of light or, you know, too weighty. It's a good balance. It was really nice. And it is essentially a whole new car. Like, there are 5 or 6 components, I think, and they're tiny things like headlight washer nozzles, door handles, tyre cover, sun visors, and like brackets that you don't even see, that are from the old previous generations to now. So it's minute things that they've passed over, and the rest of it is essentially brand new. But it's a massive improvement, and I would genuinely have a new G63 over a Range Rover SVR. I just think, I've driven a couple SVRs, yes, they're lovely, they sound great, they look stunning, but they felt too much of a boat. Whereas driving the new G-Wagon, it was fun, and it didn't feel like it was too wide, and it didn't feel like it was too big. It was a nice size car to drive. It's there if you want to throw it around, it's there if you want to off-road it, it's there if you just want to have a really nice looking car to look cool in the city, whatever you want. You know, they've changed it from the utility vehicle that it once was into what the market is essentially after, which is a nice, comfortable 4x4 to enjoy, be it in towns, cities, or if you do the odd off-road. But definitely catered to that market. It's lovely. Yeah, I would definitely have one. I really want one. So yeah, it's really nice, and was definitely impressed with, you know, the speed of it, the handling, everything. It was really nice. So good work, Mercedes. And yeah, I look forward to driving some more stuff. I'm hopefully going to get back into all this. Apologies if there's anything I've missed, let me know. I'll try and correct it in future videos. If there's anything particular you want to see, let me know. I'll try my best. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.